In a fast-changing market, delivering features quickly is key to staying competitive. But how do you measure the time from idea to release? That's where Time Metrics Tracker helps. Here's a quick tutorial on configuring time to market in Jira. Add a new time metrics. Click Configuration, either from the top right menu. In the Configuration tab, click Create Time Metric. In the window, enter the metric name, Time to Market, and select your project. Choose the work schedule to define working hours. Set the from and to statuses, and select first or last transition to determine when the timer starts and stops. Add excluded statuses, like On Hold, to pause the calculation when an issue is waiting. Set warning and critical alerts and assign users to be notified. Finally, click Save. That's all. With Time Metrics Tracker, you can track your time to market, identify bottlenecks in your process, and ensure your team delivers features on schedule. Find our app on the Atlassian Marketplace.